I have explained about protozoans. So there are 4 groups of protozoans: amoeboid protozoans, flagellated protozoans, ciliated protozoans, and sporozoans. And one more point about protozoans: they lack cell wall. They don't have cell wall. Okay. Then now here you can see there are different types of examples of protists. Plant-like protists, we already learned the same diagrams. First one is diatoms. Second one, dinoflagellates. Animal-like protists, amoeba, ciliates, flagellates. First one, amoeba, it has pseudopodia or false feet. Second one, you can see one of the organisms with thousands of mini cilia are present. Third one, flagellates, euglena-like organisms with flagella. Clear? The next we're going to learn about which are the different types of diseases caused by this protista group. So first one is amoebic dysentery. It caused by Amoeba histolytica. The second column they given the name of the organism or protista, which protista makes that particular disease. So amoebic dysentery caused by Amoeba histolytica. Vector, it is through water. Symptoms, diarrhea. Details can get from tap water in some places. Okay, so this disease we can get from tap water in some places. So we should avoid this tap waters. Second one is giardiasis or beaver fever. Protist name Giardia. It's also carrier it's through water. Symptoms, diarrhea, vomiting. Do not drink water from streams. Okay, so you're not supposed to drink water from streams. You may get this giardiasis disease. Next, African sleeping sickness. The protista, trypanosoma. The vector who is a carrier, tsetse fly. Then symptoms, uncontrolled sleepiness and confusion. So these are the 2 symptoms, uncontrolled sleepiness and confusion. Then one more thing, this only found in isolated areas. They lives in blood. Okay, so this protista, this organism lives in blood, only found in isolated areas. The next one is malaria. It is caused by Plasmodium. Then here the vector or carrier is Anopheles mosquito. Symptoms, fever, chills, sometimes even death. It can be treated with quinine. This protist, it lives in blood, results in millions deaths per year. Okay, this malaria disease, because of this malaria disease, every year many people are dying. So it lives in blood and results in millions deaths per year. The last one is toxoplasmolysis. It's caused by this organism protista, name is Toxoplasma. Vector or carrier, cats. Then here also symptoms, fetal death or brain damage. Okay, then pregnant women should avoid cat litter. So these are the different diseases caused by this protista group. It means the organisms comes under this protista, they make this type of diseases. We should be take care of ourselves. So you know which are the vector or carrier, what are the symptoms, so what are the things we should avoid, all these things we should take care. Okay, so the next class I'll be teaching the next kingdom fungi. So in this class we have completed kingdom protista. In this I told you there are 5 groups: chrysophysites, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans. So the next class I will be teaching kingdom fungi. Thank you, children.